Photoshop Retouching, tutorial number 3. Step 1, Desaturate. To desaturate a picture, or to take out all the color and make it a black and white picture, you go to Image on the menu bar, Adjustments, Desaturate. This takes out all the color in the picture, turns it to a black and white. Step 2, black and white. To make a picture black and white and adjust it manually, go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. A black and white adjustments box will pop up. Any color that was originally red in the picture, you can move the red slider to adjust the color. To adjust the intensity of the black or the white. You can make anything that was originally red, lighter or darker. Anything that was originally yellow, lighter or darker. And so on. The green, you can adjust just the green or any of the other colors. Click OK when your black and white picture is set. Step 3, Tint. To tint a picture a specific color, instead of just black and white, go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. Then down here there's a tint box. Check mark the tint box. And instead of black and white, you have another color in white. Adjust the hue slider to get any other color you want. The saturation will make the color brighter or closer to black and white. Click OK once you've set the hue and saturation. Step 4, History Brush Tool. First, turn the picture black and white. Image, Adjustments. You can either use black and white or desaturate. To create an interesting effect, we can use the History Brush tool on the toolbar. Looks like a paintbrush. Click on the History Brush tool. Go up to the Options bar. You can adjust the size of your brush to any size you want. Or you can adjust the hardness. If you want a soft brush that's really fuzzy, 0% hardness, or 100% hardness, a brush that's really clear, no fuzziness. I'm going to set the brush around 50% for right now. To use the History Brush tool, click and drag your mouse on any part of the picture. The original color of the picture will be brought back in. So these are the original color of these flowers. You can make really interesting effects using the History Brush tool. Step 5, Color Replacement tool. If you would like to add some color to a black and white photograph, but you don't want to bring back the original color of the picture, or the picture was originally black and white and you can't go back to an original color, you can use the Color Replacement tool. Go to the Brush tool, hold down on it for just a few seconds, and in the pop-out list, you will see the Color Replacement tool. Click on it. Once you have your Color Replacement tool, you can choose the color you would like to work with. At the bottom of the toolbar, click on the left box, which is the foreground color. In the color picker box, select the color you would like to use. Click OK. Now click and drag your mouse over the part of the picture you would like to add a little bit of color to. If you would like to use a different color, click on the foreground color box again, choose a different color in your color picker, click OK, and you can click and drag over the color you would put and put a brand new color. Step 6, Vignette. To create a vignette for a photograph, go to the rectangular marquee tool and hold down on it. Select the elliptical marquee tool. On the options bar, it says Feather 0 pixels. Change the pixels to a different amount. This is going to make a soft fade in our ellipse. Click and drag with your mouse to create the ellipse. You can click in the center of the ellipse to move it around. This is our frame. We're working inside the frame. We need to go to Select on the menu bar, Inverse, to work on the outside of the frame. Next, go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Move the black slider on the output levels to create a white vignette. Move the white slider on the output levels to create a black vignette. Click OK. Select on the menu bar, Deselect. 6 different variations of black and white pictures from the same original photograph. Number 1, Desaturate. Number 2, black and white. Number 3, Tint. Number 4, History Brush Tool. Number 5, Color Replacement Tool. Number 6, Vignette.